In pursuit of time, humanity's journey to master time, the most mysterious force that shapes every moment of our lives, guides us, and flows without us even realizing it. But how well do we truly understand it? Throughout history, humanity has sought ways to control this invisible flow, sometimes in the sun's dance across the sky, sometimes in the flickering flame of a candle, and at times in the vibrations of atoms. In this video, you will witness the fascinating story of humanity's efforts to master time, from the shadow-measuring sundials of ancient Egypt to the first calendars of Mesopotamia, from the flawless rhythm of pendulums to the chronometers that changed the fate of sailors, and finally, to the modern clocks driven by the precision hidden within atoms. We will trace the journey of time. Each chapter will open a unique window into the birth of an innovation, revealing how humanity shaped time with wisdom and creativity. This video will not only show you how time has been measured, but also delve into the stories behind each invention, how these innovations transformed societies, and how humanity itself evolved alongside them. Are you ready to discover how this silent force, which governs every moment of our lives, has been tamed? Then join us on this captivating journey through time and uncover how it remains both our most faithful companion and our greatest mystery. 3500 BCE, the first steps guided by the sun. The ancient Egyptians learned to read time by observing the sun's journey across the sky. The shadow cast by a vertical stick became a guide to tell the time. However, this method had its limitations. When the sun disappeared, time itself seemed to vanish into mystery. 2000 BCE, the Sumerians' lunar calendar. Under the guidance of the heavens, the Sumerians of Mesopotamia developed a calendar based on the moon's cycles. This calendar divided the year into 12 months, enabling people to plan agriculture and daily life more effectively. This monumental step by the Sumerians became an inspiration for other civilizations to create their own methods of timekeeping. Circa 1500 BCE, the rhythm of dripping water. Water, a silent witness to time, found a new purpose in the water clocks of the ancient Egyptians. A small hole at the base of a conical vessel allowed water to drip slowly, and the markers inside the vessel indicated how much time had passed. This simple yet ingenious method introduced a new way to measure the flow of time. 500 to 1000, time in the glow of candlelight. Even when night fell, the rhythm of time remained unbroken. In Asia and Europe, wax candles burned steadily, their evenly spaced markings revealing the passage of time. For the first time, time could be felt even in the darkness, bridging the gap between day and night with a steady, glowing rhythm. 1094, Susong's Dance with the Stars. Chinese scientist Susong took timekeeping beyond mere measurement and into the realm of celestial observation. He constructed a 12-meter-tall clock tower powered by water, which not only measured time, but also tracked the movements of the sun, moon, and planets. This magnificent structure transformed timekeeping into both a scientific marvel and an artistic masterpiece, bridging the heavens and earth in one elegant design. 1300 to 1350, the mechanical marvels. The chiming bells in European churches heralded the birth of mechanical clocks. These ingenious devices worked by the gradual descent of a heavy weight, which turned the gears and provided a far more accurate measurement of time. For the first time, time became something that could be reliably controlled, with the steady tick of gears offering humanity a greater grasp of the fleeting moments. 1524, time in your pocket. German clockmaker Peter Henlein revolutionized timekeeping by making it portable. He created small mechanical clocks powered by a coiled steel spring, which could fit neatly into a pocket. For the first time, people could carry time with them wherever they went, keeping the rhythms of their day close at hand. This innovation marked the beginning of a new era, where time was no longer confined to towers or walls, but became a personal companion. 1656, the perfect rhythm of the pendulum. Dutch scientist Christian Huygens mastered the laws of physics to measure time with unparalleled precision. Drawing inspiration from Galileo's 1602 discovery of the pendulum's regular oscillations, Huygens designed the first pendulum clock. This invention operated with incredible accuracy, deviating by only a few seconds per day. The pendulum became like a silent metronome in households, its rhythmic swings offering people their first true sense of control over time. Beyond its domestic use, the pendulum clock revolutionized astronomy, providing scientists with a tool for more precise observations and laid the foundation for modern scientific study. 1759. The Guardian of the Seas. Navigating the open seas required precise measurements of both time and position. British clockmaker John Harrison dedicated 45 years to solving one of sailors' greatest challenges, determining longitude. His masterpiece, the H4 marine chronometer, finally provided the solution. This small pocket watch allowed sailors to compare London time with their local noon, calculating how far east or west they were. With a daily error of only 3 seconds, the chronometer became the key to safe and accurate ocean travel. No longer lost in the vast unknown, sailors now had time as their trusted guide across the seas. 1847, time of the railway age. The Industrial Revolution made time critical not just for individuals, but for entire societies. Britain's railways recognized the vital importance of synchronized time and adopted Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, as a standard. This replaced the varied local times, determined by the sun's position. With a unified time system, synchronization reduced errors in train schedules, heralding a new era of precision in industry and communication. Clocks evolved from personal tools into instruments that orchestrated the rhythm of society, like a metronome guiding collective progress. 1910, the rise of wristwatches. The era of pocket watches, carried on chains, was coming to an end. Initially regarded as decorative bracelets, wristwatches gained prominence during World War I, thanks to their practicality. Soldiers needed a reliable way to track time on the battlefield, and wristwatches proved indispensable. Soon, they became a symbol of both elegance and functionality. No longer confined to pockets, time was now worn on the wrist, a transformation that reflected modern humanity's desire to keep time ever closer, a constant companion in a fast-changing world. 1950s, the whisper of atoms. When scientists pushed the boundaries of time measurement, they turned to the fundamental building blocks of nature. Atoms, the rapid vibrations of electrons within atoms, allowed for an unprecedented level of precision. Atomic clocks, accurate to within 1 second every million years, represented the pinnacle of timekeeping. These clocks became essential for technologies like GPS and space exploration, extending humanity's reach beyond Earth to the cosmos. The whispers of atoms offered humanity a guide to understanding not just time on Earth, but the vast, timeless expanse of the universe. And so, the mesmerizing journey of time draws to a close, but the story is far from over. Humanity continues to strive to understand and master time, all while seeking its place in the infinite continuum. Today, we can measure everything from atomic vibrations to the movement of galaxies. Yet, amidst all this complexity, time's purest form remains with us, the rise of the sun marking a new day, and the rhythmic beating of our hearts, a testament to the life we live. Perhaps time is not just our silent companion, but also our greatest teacher, guiding us through existence. The question remains, what will time reveal to us next?